Hey there, and welcome to a tutorial for Rumble Studio. Today, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the live caller queue. The live caller queue allows you to engage with your audience in real time while you're live. This differs from the audience submissions, where you can gather submissions from your audience ahead of time and pre screen. With the caller queue, everything's in real time. You'll see on the left side of the screen, I'm currently live streaming. And on the right side of the screen, you'll see my channel. On the right side of the screen, this will be the user experience, and the left side is going to be the creator view. So your view as you're live streaming. Since we're already live, we'll go ahead and toggle to the caller section. Typically, you'd be live for a few minutes and engaging with your audience, and then tell them you're going to start taking callers. To start taking callers, you want to activate this by clicking Start Taking Callers, which will give you a link. You can copy this link and share this externally on any social media. However, I would recommend, if you have a community on Locals, to put this behind the paywall. That way, only your paid supporters can submit their questions in real time, and it gives you a more limiting experience compared to sharing this out somewhere like Twitter. So you'll see here, I created a post in my community. I have my publication settings. I'm going to enable this to only for supporters. And we're going to pin this up maybe for an hour at the top of my newsfeed since I'm live now. And we'll go ahead and publish this to my community. We're live. So if I'm a member, all they can see is we're live, submit your questions, and they need to become a supporter in order to gain access to this live link. We'll go ahead and also take that link in our user view. The user will need to have a Rumble login and they'll log in. And then we'll give it a topic so you can give a little description. Great. Next, it'll ask us to enable our camera or our microphone. You're going to see the top of my forehead. Great. And we'll go ahead and join the waiting room. Now it says there's no live chat yet. This is because this is a tutorial video. Now here on our creator side, you'll see take next caller. And the caller question says, I have a question on how to use this feature. So it gives you an idea of what your caller may want to ask and what their name is. So when we're ready, we'll click Take Caller. The caller side will now say, do you want to join on audio and video or audio only? For the purpose of this call, I'm going to choose audio only. Great. Now I'm live in the live stream being the guest and the creator. So you can see here, it says active caller guest. And I can talk back and forth with the creator as long as I'd like. And when I'm done, I can hang up. Perhaps I'm enjoying the conversation with the creator or the user, excuse me, and I want to add them to the live stream as a guest and continue the conversation with them. Maybe they have a great input and we want to continue to take callers. You can absolutely do that by selecting this person icon with the plus. This will allow you to invite the guest to the stream. If you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and hang up. You can also mute the user as well. So we're done. We can click hang up. And then the next caller that appears will show their name again. And you can continue on this process until you're done with the segment. And that's it. That's everything you need to know to start taking live callers using Rumble Studio.